Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.
What
What do you think of shirts?
Dude, nothing weighs. I mean, this is the lightest thing I've ever. It could be a teddy bear.
Hey guys, we got our surprise me boxes in today. Except this one's a prank. We're gonna get Jake, we're gonna get him good. This box right here is his prank box. That's my surprise me, $4.99 surprise me. And his real one, hidden away. So we're gonna surprise him with a prank. He's here?
Start them all on fire.
Just an ass ton of shirts. That's what he thinks is in there.
Yeah, it might be. I think you got a ZV5 personally, or something, a Frankenwoofer.
It might be.
It might be.
Huh?
It might. I feel like you already
never
know.
I have no idea.
You have no idea. Okay.
How the hell am I supposed to know, dude? It's not even open. Each.
Yeah, get that right. Each spent 500. It's gonna be gnarly. I think it's interesting.
Hell yeah.
Where are the two Stooges?
They're all back. Should we go
wait
find
for
them?
Yeah, let's go find them.
Let's go get them. So yeah, that was Big Jake. He has no clue what's about to happen. It's gonna be great.
I'm going first. All right, what are we doing? I gotta wait for Kevo.
I'm ready.
Oh, you're right there. I thought, okay, fuck right there.
I was just looking at the phone.
All right, guys, let's open this up.
He's going to be intermittent with the phone answering anyway, so get through it.
Open this.
So you're thinking shirts?
Dude, nothing weighs. I mean, this is the lightest thing I've ever. It could be a teddy bear. Fuck, a Sundown teddy bear. $500.
Bro, what if it was
That's great.
$1,000 credit card for Sundown?
I wouldn't be mad. You ready?
Don't worry, it'll all get edited.
What the fuck? I owe you surprise.
Oh wait, there's a spork. Tell me there's
a
some soup or
spork.
something.
What? I owe you surprise.
There's a spork.
What the fuck?
Dude, you got a wiring kit.
Yeah,
Bro!
and some sandwiches and an amp.
I'm actually.
Got an amp!
They got a
wiring
amp.
kit! You
What?
got an amp and a wiring
Oh.
Wiring kit?
And 2 fucking subs.
Awesome!
Damn, I got the full install.
Yeah, bro.
Hey, best 500 I ever spent.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
They've been sitting in a box for a whole
Are they
fucking
still-
month.
Are they still fresh?
Cold.
Yeah, well, shipping, right? They don't heat the fucking
Yeah, they're good until February 28th. You got a
Oh.
couple days. You got till tomorrow.
Oh, done deal. I'll eat these.
Oh, that's a good sandwich right there.
What else is in there?
It's a
Anything?
good sub.
No, well,
There's gotta be something else.
Other than that.
Just some packaging.
Yeah. just
No,
that.
What's this IOU
it?
all
you
about?
didn't even get a gift
Where'd
card.
it go?
They didn't give you nothing.
What is this all about? Like, what's...
They
There's
owe
a
you a
spork.
spork.
Dude, they straight hosed you.
What do they owe you, though? Like...
Right.
I'm so confused.
Hold
you guys
on,
not
wait.
fucking with me?
You got all this shit, and they owe you something.
Well, open yours up because yours could be the same
Yeah.
thing too.
What's in yours?
Yeah, let's do
See if you got 2 subs.
Oh, here.
They must know your guys' asshole humor here at the shop.
Oh, fuck.
Not the.
It's all holding it.
It's not even an amp, it's a monster! It's a monster! That's what happens when you try to take the full load, baby. There you go. I've been just wet and sticky since Valentine's Day.
Let's see what's in here.
A-class sound.
Mine was like fucking way heavier than yours.
I would hope so. Fuck, dude. If the wind hit my package right, it would have blown away.
For real. You would have lost your subs.
Alright, what do we got?
Ooh, this is looking promising.
Yeah.
I think this is actually
This is a real package,
I don't think that they actually owe me anything.
Okay.
Here, you can have that.
$500 well spent, guys. I got a sticker.
Ooh.
And a free
That looks like an 18 to me.
Oh my god.
Who called it? I said ZV5 too. I said 15 though.
Ooh, that is huge.
That is beyond legitimate. That thing is a monster.
You got hosed though. You only got 1 sub. He got 2 subs.
Yeah, you got an amp. Hey, I got 2 subs, an amp, and a wiring kit.
Hey. See, he got hosed.
Look at that. Look at the size. Next to a monster can. This thing's just a beefy fucking
Nasty.
monster, man.
Dude, nasty.
Looking mint too.
Hell yeah.
God damn, somebody hit Pablo up. He'll buy it.
Right? He'll buy it right now.
All right. start looking for it.
Here, dude. Actually, there was something else that showed up too. Let me go grab it.
What else came? Oh, you got 2 packages. Maybe they don't owe you.
Maybe they don't. Maybe you guys just did.
Maybe they don't owe you.
Fucking made a mess with that monster or amp.
With that amp.
Mess. Well, it's because it started to slip out of my hand. You know what I mean? So I was like, what the fuck? Damn, they look like they just beat this bitch to death.
Be the
I
one
was,
dude
I was,
slicing
I know.
himself on
Just-
I was like, do I need to give Jake a safety knife?
The safety knife towards his.
Halfway, and then I went this way.
Okay, this looks more promising.
More foam.
Right? It's just more
There's
stuff.
more packaging.
What the fuck is that?
Oh, what is this?
Oh, that looks custom as hell.
Pull yourself out,
Holy shit.
dude. That
Is that
thing's a
heavy?
beast.
Yeah.
Here, hold on. Let me get you a pad or something. Where's? Here.
Oh.
Look at you.
Oh, yours is a little smaller, but it's still good 18.
Oh, it's dusty.
Oh, it's dusty.
Dusty as fuck.
That thing's a beast.
Is that a ZV5 too?
Yeah.
It is.
It's got
Dude,
beat,
that's a monster.
you got beat up in shipping though.
Yeah. Dude, that's legit. That thing's been sitting around for a while. I wonder if that's a
Yeah.
prototype or something.
But it must be. It's stiffer than. No, not that stiff, actually.
Dude, it's got the carbon cap. See? I tagged you in that post. The carbon cap.
Yup.
It's a little-
I did
little
get one of
dirty.
them.
It's super dirty here.
Let's
me go
clean
grab
it.
my glove.
Yeah, let's clean it. What's under the sticker?
This is straight SPL woofer.
Oh yeah.
Musical toots.
That part's clean. Right there. Oh yeah, there she goes.
Craigslist be like brand new inbox.
What about 250 amp wiring kit, bro?
Yeah, where's your wiring kit?
I gotta put it next to it. This is what I'm supposed to use to wire this stuff up together.
Yeah.
For real.
Hell yeah.
God damn.
Damn. In the middle.
So what do you think? You think it got ripped off?
No, I think I got fucked with though. I definitely have something that not everybody else has. This is a ZV5 prototype something. Guess it's time to ask Jacob what's up.
Right. What is this, Jake?
What did I get my hands on?
It's legit.
It's very legit. Yours looks beautiful, mint.
I know.
The only thing I could find on mine that was a fuck up, and I think it was just because of shipping.
Right. I think that happened
Is
in
the-
shipping because that box was.
Yeah. Is the boot got just ate up. But,
No, that. Yeah, this is the one, right? Yeah. See, the box got all
God
messed
damn
up.
it, I gotta call Pablo now. Well, because, dude, who else has a single 18 application with that much wattage?
Right. Yeah. Dude be slanging. He probably gained some dBs just by throwing this sucker in there.
Yeah.
So we both got ZV5s.
Yeah,
And we're both happy about it.
Totally messing with you.
100%. We
That's the shop's humor, dude. That's 100% the shop's humor.
What was
But
it?
you guys definitely got me.
he got.
You got me so fucking good. I'm not even gonna lie.
ZV515.
Yo.
So just so you know, Jake Fuller was in on it too.
Oh, was he?
He sent that with that's an IOU note handwritten from Jake Fuller.
That motherfucker. Oh my god, that's funnier than hell. Good one, Jake. You got the shop's humor right on point. Because this shit was believable. You should have seen my. Oh, you guys did see my
Yep,
face.
we got your
You got
face.
me on camera. That box so pissed. He's so fucking pissed.
One, that's a straight SPL setup, and that's a straight music S setup.
What's up? You want to trade?
Looks like you did already.
Dude, you know you're gonna use the SPL woofer far
Yeah.
before I ever do.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's trade. Don't forget your Sundown amp wiring kit.
So everybody knows, this is just to wire the subs. Need a whole wiring kit just for the subs.
It's a sub wiring kit.
Yep, just to amp.
It's a sub wiring kit.
Hey, Sundown though, not gonna lie, I'm not disappointed. Jacob, you're funnier than fuck. Get out of here, Brendan. You guys couldn't see it, but he's up to some shiesty, shady shit. Definitely recommend doing the Surprise Me, and 100% recommend doing business with A-Class and Sundown.
Hell yeah.
That's what happens when you try to take the full load, baby. Woo! I've been this wet and sticky since Valentine's Day.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.